In a dim studio, a chef's knife glides through a perfect tomato slice, the blade catching light like glass. Close observers notice every motion unfold with tranquil precision as liquid beads trace shimmering paths along the cutting board. Color flows follow the rhythm of the scene, reds melting into oranges and greens blooming, a slow, cinematic lullaby. Steam curls upward as a kettle pours and the room hums softly, inviting viewers to linger inside a moment. By the end, the screen seems to pause with the color drift, a serene reminder that order itself is peaceful.